The real question: can Lucid stay ahead as the giants catch up? With established automakers entering the EV space, the competition is only getting fiercer. For now, the 2026 Air is the benchmark everyone else is chasing. It's the car that sets the pace, and the one others are measured against. It's a deeply impressive, uniquely American vision of electric luxury, one that blends performance, technology, and style in a way that's hard to beat. Next, the Mercedes EQS, the all-electric heir to the S-Class throne. For 2026, Mercedes sharpens its flagship EV with a massive 115 kWh battery, targeting around 460 miles of range. The AMG version, dual motors up to 761 horsepower, and a 0 to 60 sprint in under 3 seconds, silently. The showstopper inside is the Hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass panel housing 3 screens, making the cabin feel like a starship bridge. Mercedes leads in driver assist tech, with level 3 autonomy, meaning in certain conditions, the car can legally drive itself. The one-bow exterior design is all about aerodynamic efficiency, giving the EQS a distinctive wind-sculpted look. Inside, it's classic Mercedes luxury, exquisite materials, endless seat adjustments, and even massage programs. The energizing comfort system blends lighting, climate, and even fragrances to set the mood. Rear axle steering shrinks the turning circle at low speeds and boosts stability at high speeds. The EQS isn't the wildest or fastest, but it's the most refined, tech-forward, and comfortable electric sedan you can buy. It's the S-Class of the electric era, solid, safe, and supremely competent. For many, that's all they need to hear.